be able to introduce her here to you this afternoon. She's been performing for over 40 years. Amazing. I mean, as a small child, she started singing. She entered beauty contests. She's traveled all over the world. She was the first native Hawaiian to perform in the Grand Ole Opry. Pretty amazing, right? Yes. She has over 27 recordings to her name, and it's a great pleasure to introduce to you someone who's also going to be featured at a really big show tonight. I'll tell you a little bit about coming up. But ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you the amazing Melveen.
I thought I'd get this song out of the way because, you know, I got to sing this song 1,000